Hi guys, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we're going to talk about the action camera or the best action camera for you to do the vlogs. And before we start this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up as well to my video if you really like it. And if you have any comments or any questions, do ask them below. And let's start talk about the Insta360. Let's have a look. This is my Canon 7D Mark II, which I use mostly to take images around landscape, wildlife, and to be honest, this is not really good camera for vlogging at all. It's bulky, it's heavy, and takes a lot of room in my bag, and we're gonna remove this one from the list. So any bulky camera is not an ideal to do vlogs. Even the one which I'm using right now, which is M50, it's a very small camera. It does the job, but I still think it's still better to be a bit more compact. Now we're gonna go with what I have here, the DJI Osmo 5. I haven't used it a lot, and it's very rarely when I'm using this one for vlogs. It's just because this tool is more for creating cinematic videos using your iPhone or your Android, and doesn't really suit to do vlogs. Maybe you can do vlogs in-house, but not vlogs when you go out. So I would think this is not really good tool to do vlogs, and I'm gonna put this one on the side. Okay, so now let's talk about action cameras. You have GoPro action cameras, you have DJI action cameras, and you have Insta360 action cameras. All these cameras or action cameras, they have in common that they are more like traditional cameras, like my M50, like my 7D Mark II. They all have same thing in common, that you have to keep them like that and do vlogs, which is kind of not an ideal for everyone. Well, if this is not an ideal for you, then I think the one which I recommend is Insta360 X3. The reason is this is not really a traditional camera, and what you have to do is just press record and it does the job for you. You don't have to worry about putting the camera or missing any frames. You're just recording the video, and after you can choose the frames you want. So example, if you're like me, you like traveling around and you don't want the hassle to have the action camera pointing forward or worrying about missing any frames, then Insta360 X3 is a choice for you. The reason why I purchased this action camera is basically I wanted to put on top of my car and recording while I'm driving, and to be honest, it does good job as well, but most of the time I'm using for my vlogs, which you can check on my vlog channel. I'm gonna put a link I think on this corner, and you can click and have a look what kind of videos this small camera can provide. In fact, now I'm recording on my Insta360, and as you can see me, the video quality looks alright and it's not that bad at all. Maybe maybe the sound quality could be improved, but you can attach, let's say, a DJI mic, which is for improving the sound quality. And yes guys, also what I really love about this camera is that you can take 360 images as well, and you can share it on social media like Facebook, which is quite fun to see someone's 360 images, have a look what's around that person. So this camera also has a lot of features, same as like GoPro action cameras or DJI action camera, but as I said before, this camera is very unique because it's recording 360 degrees, and that's really useful, so you're not missing any shots or any frames. And yes, if you want to go with an action camera for your vlogs, I would highly recommend to go with Insta360. It has a lot of features you can use for your images or for photography, for videography, and for vlogs as well, which we talk in this video. As I said before, you can check my vlog channel. Most of my videos was recorded with my Insta360 X3. So yes guys, well, we could go a bit more deep into this and talk a bit more about what Insta360 can do, but I don't want to take your time, and I'm talking about the Insta360 from my own experience. And if I would go back in time and before deciding to get an Insta360, I'll probably choose Insta360 again. And as I said before, The reason is because it shoots 360 degree and you can't really miss any videos from your daily vlog. Thank you for watching my video. If you really enjoy this video and you learned anything from this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and any questions, ask them below, and thumbs up as well, and I'll see you next video.